Okay, so in the previous video or lecture, you saw what is LangChain. Now, because we are learning Ollama and we're also learning Llama models, now if somebody asks you what is the best way to use a combination of Ollama and LangChain, then you need to be aware of the ChatOllama class or package. Now, if you visit the LangChain website, you will see ChatOllama. So previously there was a lot of talk about Ollama LLM, and now they recommend using ChatOllama. And if you read about it, clearly says that it allows you to run open source LLMs such as Llama 2 or any specific open source LLM, to be honest. And Ollama bundles model weights, configuration data into single package defined by the model file, which we already saw a lot of times. And then it shows you all the details. So we are talking about the class is ChatOllama, and this class is part of the package or the Python library which is called LangChain-Ollama. It allows for local models. Serialization is not allowed. JS support means JavaScript support, yes. And just look at the number of packages, the downloads that has happened, 327K per month. That's the humongous amount of usage of this class or library. And the latest package says is version 0.2.2 anyways. And it talks about the model features that you can use. Tool calling, don't worry about it. We will have a look later. Structured output, JSON mode, we will take a look at all these as well. Image input is not allowed, audio is not allowed, video is not allowed, and token level streaming is there, and rest of the things are pretty much self-explanatory. Then it talks about, okay, how do you set up, right? It says, okay, you need to Llama pull, call the Llama model, let's say Llama pull, Ollama pull, or Llama 3 or 3.3, 3.4, whatever it is available. Then you need to be aware of something called LangChain-Ollama, right? We need to install this package, good. Then we need to instantiate the object. So if you see, we are saying from LangChain-Ollama, import ChatOllama. So basically from this library, we are importing this class. And then we need to instantiate the object, which is called LLM, and we are calling ChatOllama. And this, you are just giving your model name, right? Whichever model you have downloaded in Ollama, like Llama 3.2, 3.3, and then you need to do the invocation. And it's pretty simple. You need to, but remember, here you need to use the LangChain core, right? This is the package that you would use for any other LLM, right? Even if you're not using Ollama, then also you would be using LangChain core package, because it is for using LangChain with LLM, right? So the previous one was Ollama with LangChain. Second part is LangChain with the model. So two level of interaction is taking place, right? And then comes the chaining part where you chain, like just like Lego, you're joining pieces. You are saying prompt output is passed to LLM, and then it invokes this chain.invoke. Don't worry, we will take a look at specific interesting demos how to do this. So keep watching, guys.